MotoSport.com was founded in 1999. To commemorate that, we're giving away 2 dirt bikes. 2 lucky winners will have the choice of a 1999 Ricky Carmichael Replica KX250 built by Pro Circuit or a 2019 Kawasaki 250 decked out with the best performance upgrades. On top of that, each winner will be provided with a head-to-toe set of Fox racing gear as well as a chance to join MotoSport.com for a VIP experience at the Washougal National, July 27th. So on this week's episode, we got our parts back from Pro Circuit. We also got our frame back from a powder coater based in the Northwest, close to us, Blakely Powder Coating. He did a killer job. He's a motorcycle enthusiast.
It's like a lightning struck, and I can't keep my feet on the ground.
So tune in next week as we wrap up this bike build. The KX125, I have a feeling it's gonna be a ripper. Enter weekly to win.